Using Apple Pay person-to-person is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open the Messages application. Then, start a new conversation or open an existing one with the recipient. Now, tap the Apple Pay button, the icon that looks like a credit card with a dollar sign. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Add a message for the recipient. This step is completely optional. Now, tap on Send. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The money will be deposited into the recipient's Apple Cash balance. After that, open the Messages application. Then, open the conversation where you received the money. Now, tap the Accept button. Add a message for the sender if you want. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The money will be deposited into your Apple Cash balance.